Hey everybody, how is it going? My name is Ariel and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna go through the unboxing of the Poco F2 Pro. It's a pretty brand new phone, announced and released May this year, 2020. It sports the Snapdragon 865 CPU, accompanied with the Adreno 650 GPU. Supports 5G obviously, and comes in 2 or 3 models if I'm not mistaken. One of them is the 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, which is this one. And they have another one that has 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. This is my phone. It's not a phone that I got from a store to review or something like that. It's my phone. I bought it with my good money. That's why I hit all the serials and IMEIs and stuff like that. This video is called kind of review because I already opened the box and I already set up the phone, and I've been with it for like a day or day and a half or two. The reason I'm doing this is because I really want to take you through the process of unboxing to see exactly what you're going to see if you'll decide to buy this phone, which I think it's a really great idea because overall it's a really good phone. Rated like in top 10 today, something like that. Really strong, really kind of clean, I think, if you ask me. Design is something that you may like, you may not. I pretty like it. The only issue that I saw in reviews, and not exactly an issue, but let's say the weak points of this device would be probably the cameras. Other than that, the lack of 2 speakers, that's, for me, it's not really a big issue because I don't really use the speakers for listening to music or watching videos or stuff like that. I use my headphones. So for me it's not a problem that it doesn't have 2 speakers or the wireless charging, because I don't think it's green and I don't use it and I don't want to use it, so I don't care about that. The only thing I do care about that this device doesn't have, it's the waterproofing or the IP rating. That's not a really big issue for me, but yeah, I would obviously want it to be waterproof because listening to music in the shower could be awesome. Anyway, we're gonna go through the process right now. I'm gonna open the box, show you exactly what you're gonna see inside, give you my my point of view of everything here, and then I'll go and give you some of my insights using this phone for like a day or two. So first of all, the box itself, pretty nice, matte black with yellow writings. You have on the bottom 5G. It says 5G connectivity will vary based on local operator capabilities. On the lower side, you have the model, the color, cyber gray. This one. The amount of RAM and the amount of storage tells you what comes in the box. Regular things, high-res audio, all the other symbols. Gives you the manufacturing date, May 2020. On the side you have Poco F2 Pro, high-res audio again, with easy access to the Google apps you use most. On the other side the same. Let's open the box. The box is pretty tight, it's really nice. It takes an hour to open, but it's cool. Okay, so inside you have this box of paper, if you like. You'll have the SIM ejection tool. You'll have the Xiaomi warranty card. I don't know if you know, but this phone is made by Xiaomi. So there's another model that's called the Redmi K30 Pro, which is pretty much the same phone, just branded Xiaomi, and this one is branded Poco, and Poco it's a Xiaomi brand. So you have a warranty card by Xiaomi, and a Poco F2 user guide by Poco. This is kind of nice because I didn't see a lot of phones today that comes with a user guide. After looking at this user guide, it's actually really basic. Just gives you like power button, volume stuff, and how to put your SIM inside and stuff like that. But still, kind of nice. Then you have the plastic case. So it's not really plastic, it's like, I guess it's a combination of hard plastic and soft plastic, or soft-ish plastic. It's really good. It holds the phone awesome, like one of the best cases fitment that I ever saw. It holds the device really good. It's transparent, which is really nice. The back and the inside have this like really small, I don't know, like small bulges or stuff like that makes you feel as if your hand sticks to it, and it's really nice because it gives you really good traction on your device. Other than that, what I really liked about this case is that here on the upper part you have this groove that so this phone has, like you probably know if you're watching this video, this phone has a pop-up camera, and the headphone jack is on the top. It has an headphone jack, which is nice. So for me, it's good because it means I can connect a very big audio jack, like a headphone jack or stuff like that, and I won't have the problem of like removing the case to connect it, or in my case, like I did so many times, drilling the case in order to put the like the bigger headphone jack. So anyway, I really like this. I really like this case. I think it's pretty high quality, and it's really nice to find something pretty high quality in the box itself, like without kind of like adding another money, and you just put it on and you're good to go. Obviously, it's not like super high level. Yeah, I mean it's pretty good to get with it. It has a very good fitment, like I said, and I'm really pleased with it. So I like it. Then you have the phone itself. In a second I'll remove all these stickers again. As you can see, I wrapped it up really good so it'll look as if I just opened it, but it's not. Then you have just a cardboard tray for the phone, and on the lower part you have a charger, a very strong charger. I don't know if very strong, but I think it's strong. I mean, the stronger I had. It's a 5-volt 3 amp. This is like the minimum. The top is like 11 volts 3 amps. It's a max of 33 watts, so it's pretty nice. It has, I think it has a 30-watt fast charging or something like that. You have the USB cable with this kind of like orange accent, which is nice. You have it on the Type-C side also. It's really nice. Okay, so let's peel it off and show you the phone a bit. So overall, phone is really nice in terms of like the way it feels in the hand, mostly. You have like really thin, not glass obviously, a screen protector on the screen, and I find it really nice that companies actually give you kind of everything you need to start and get going, you know, without like fearing to break your phone, or without the need to add like a screen protector or something like that as you walk out of the store. Because some of us, for example me, I always I'm ordering stuff online, you know, like from China and stuff like that. So some of us would want to buy the phone and wait a bit to stuff to get, and it's really nice to have. In this case, I must say again, it's really nice to have, and it's really nice overall. I really like it. Wait a second, I'll just put it on so you can see it. Okay, so as you can see, it fits really nice. It doesn't move anywhere. This is usually a weak spot with cases, but everything fits awesome, snugly, really good. Everything works really nice. I don't have any complaints whatsoever as of now. The cameras are pretty good. They don't have OIS, and they're not like the best flagship cameras and sensors, but they're really good, and they're doing the job. I'm really happy with it. Phone is really snappy. Antutu score was pretty high, 573,618, which puts it just above the same model with the 8 gigs of RAM on the Antutu ranking site, which is really nice. PUBG runs really fast. You have this game turbo. What else? Oh, something that I noticed that was weird to me. Since the speaker for the your ear speaker, if you like, that you can hear when you're talking with people. Since it's really high on top here. Wait a second. Yeah, so you can see it's really snappy. Everything works nice. The only thing I don't like in programs like the game is, you see the X here, it sits just where the radius is, and sometimes you can't really push on it. It's kind of weird. But you can go back like you go everywhere else on the phone, because when you're disabling the buttons, so you have the option to go back like that, or like that. On the other side it's the same. A second. You can go like that, you can go like that, you can do whatever you want. It's really nice. So what I wanted to say is, since the speaker is mounted really high on top here, when I talked on the phone, I really needed to slide the phone down so the speaker would be in the center of my ear, because in the beginning it sounded weird. I just couldn't hear anything. But for some of you that comes from a newish kind of phone, that the speaker is like really on top anyway, so it won't be any change, it won't be any difference. To me it had a difference because it took me some time to realize that. I guess that's it pretty much. I'll obviously make another review. I really want to test the high-res audio that they're saying that there is here. I have some really good good files that I want to test on it, so it's really nice. And that's it. I usually won't tell or ask people to hit the like button or the subscribe button, stuff like that. But if you have any interest in DIY or electronic fixes, computers, home decor, and handy craftsmanship and stuff like that, so yes, I would recommend that you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, because I have tons of projects coming in and a lot of videos that just needed to be edited and uploaded. Stuff that you guys would really like, stuff that I show, a lot of stuff about me building my house and designing stuff and building them. So if you're into this kind of things, I would really recommend that you do that. Other than that, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and have a great night, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.